figured out why you have that mold smell in this area of the home. All right, so you can see right here, right below, or right above this white piece of metal, you see a black piece of metal. That is called a T-style drip edge. And it goes around here. It's gonna go around there on the other side of the gutter, and it's also transitions to a white drip edge on this gutter line right here. The purpose of this T-style drip edge is if you've ever taken a glass of water and poured it really slowly, what happens? The water doesn't just drop off and pour, it grabs onto the glass with water tension, curls and follows the glass and drops off at the bottom of the glass and then onto your countertop. So shingles can do the same thing with water. Water will run off your roof, run off very slowly, and then it will grab the shingle with water tension, curl back up underneath the shingle and go back up onto your roofing and your decking and your wood and damage that if you don't have a drip edge. Well, for some reason or another, on this side of the roof, there is no metal drip edge. You have 15-pound felt paper right here, which is just falling apart. It's just construction paper that you used to make hand turkeys with. Literally, I'm just barely touching it and it's crumbling apart. And then right here, you have your decking that's exposed to the elements. So what's happening is every time it rains, water's coming down, it's curling back up underneath the shingle, and it usually is supposed to hit a drip edge right here and then go down into your gutter system, which protects this part of your sheathing from getting damaged. As you can see, you don't have a drip edge. So when the water's curling back up, it goes back up here and it touches the decking, which is now damaging your decking, which is why you're smelling that mold smell inside the home, in particular on this side of the home. So now I'm gonna go around each eave line, which is each elevation, put my ladder up and make sure you have a drip edge around your whole home.